to welcome all of the teachers, parents, students. Today we gathered here to learn a lesson on a grammar topic. So this is Sachin Gopal Dhale from Mumbai Public School, Dharavi, Kalakilla. I am here. I really feel privileged on behalf of our administrative officers Neelata Dumre, then nodal bit officer Sharad Kurade sir, nodal HM Mary Pushpam Paul, assistant nodal HM Mrs. Manpreet Kaur, and then CNO respected Ratilal Burungule sir. So today, before beginning this topic, let's have a glance towards this slide. Can anybody reply how to complete this sentence? The boy is running dash dash. Yes, students.
The
The
boy
boy
is
is running in the ground.
Running
on the ground.
on the ground. Okay. And anything else?
The
Others?
boy is running very fast.
Running very fast. Okay. Yes. Can you? Yes. Same. The same boy. Can you replace running fast instead of other words? The boy is running. Yes. You
Fast.
are closer. Yes. Yes. Anybody reply?
The boy is running in the ground.
Ground. Okay. Anything else? Okay. I will tell you. The boy is running swiftly. Yes. Swiftly. So swiftly. Can anybody tell me what this swiftly stands for? Yes, students. What is the meaning of swiftly? Yes, students.
Is healthy.
Healthy. No.
Three meaning is
Yes.
properly.
Properly. No. See, he is running. So
It's a swifty manner or with speed or quickly.
yes, yes. Swiftly means we can say speedily. Which we can say which can run speedily. Yes. So the boy is running swiftly. So this swiftly is a part of speech. Yes or no? Yes,
Yes.
students. So which part of speech is it? Hello.
Adverb.
Adverb. Very good. Can you tell me your name, dear? Yes.
My name is Ruchi.
Yes, Ruchi. Very good. So today's topic is adverb. It is a part of speech. Okay. So let's learn more about this adverb. But before that, let's have some learning outcomes. So what you are going to, yes, keep your mics off. Students, please keep your mics off. Whenever needed, I will request you all of you. But right now, please keep your mics off. Yes. So the learning outcomes are the number one is to know adverbs. Second, to know application of adverbs in sentences. Third one, to identify various types of adverbs. Yes. Today we are going to learn nearly 6 types of adverbs. So that's why I included this third one as a learning outcome. Then fourth one, to apply adverbs in day-to-day life. That will also we'll learn at the end. In fact, you are going to apply these adverbs at the end of this session. Yes. Can anybody read on the screen? Yes, anyone?
Adverb.
Ah,
Adverb. Adverb is that part of speech which tell more about verb. Example: the boy is running swiftly.
yes, very good. So, you know, all of you, there are nearly 8 parts of speech. Among them, there is one more which is adverb. The word itself tells us as meaning. See, ADVERB. So, AD stands for add and VERB stands for verb. Add means something added, and verb means the action words which are included in the sentences like speed, read, write. Okay, so the word which gives more meaning to the verbs like action words like speak, read, etc. That is called as an adverb. Let's take the example of this here sentences only. The boy is running swiftly. So run is action word. Yes or no, students?
Yes.
Yes. So run is action word. But to give more information about this run, how the boy is running swiftly. Okay. If suppose the boy is running with a normal speed, we can say no average. With an average speed is running. But right now he's running with, we can say, high speed. That's why swiftly. Can anybody give me some more examples of adverb?
Yes.
Yes.
And by running.
Describe a verb, an adjective or another adverb and answer how easily, happily, loudly, quickly, sadly,
Very
silently.
good, very good. What's your name, dear? Yes,
My
yes.
name is Ruchi.
Okay, Ruchi, very good. Now, once again, let's have some more information or the function of the adverb. Here, the term implies that the principal function of adverb is to act as a modifier of verbs or verb phrases. An adverb used in this way may provide information about the manner, place, time, frequency, certainty, or other circumstances of the activity denoted by the verb or verb phrase. So, my dear students, don't get afraid of such big definitions. Just focus on the keywords. So, here the keywords are see here provide information about manner. You know, manner means not only the manner in which you way the you speak, but the manner means in which way the activity is carried out, in which we can say the style, the organization of particular activity, whether it is running, speaking, etc., like that. The place, all of you know. Time, yes. Frequency, the number of time how the things are repeated, that's frequency. Certainty, yes, the particular thing is going to happen or not. And then other circumstances. So these are few of the words. Definitely we will learn in more manner. Let's have a glance toward this. Besides, now I want a different student than Ruchi. Can anybody read? Yes, students.
The tortoise falls slowly.
Yes. And
Rapid jump sweetly.
yes.
Like
Okay. I want to ask a question to you
Everyone
only. Okay. Now tell me which two adverbs are given in these pictures? Yes, dear.
slowly and swiftly.
Slowly and swiftly.
Swiftly.
Okay. And which two animals are mentioned in here?
Rabbit and tortoise.
Okay. So, yes, thank you, dear. You can keep your mic off. So, tortoise walks slowly. So, if suppose you ask yourself only, how does the tortoise walk? So, the answer is slowly. So, the words which give answers to how, and one more thing here, how it, we can say walks. So, it is slowly. Walk is a verb, and how it walks is slowly. So, the slowly is giving more information about the verb walk. Similarly, rabbit jumps swiftly. So jump is action word, and how rabbit jumps, it is swiftly. It we can say almost opposite to slowly, because all of us we know that this tortoise and a rabbit there is a nice story. So in here in case the two adverbs are we can say very good represented by this picture. Let's have glance to our next slide. Yes, can anybody read?
The swimmer practices regularly. The boy speaks loudly.
the voice is speaker loudly.
Okay. Can anybody tell me the two adverbs here mentioned here? Regularly and yes?
Loudly.
Yes, very good. Now I want to ask a question. The swimmer practices regularly, right? Can anybody please keep your mic off? Can anybody tell me how can we use the same adverb regularly in another sentence? Yes.
Sir, the Aditya is practiced regularly of judo.
One more example, dear. Can
Sir,
anybody tell me?
give one example.
Huh? With regularly.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, I is crying loudly. Doing my homework.
Okay. One more. Now here, see, again, I want to repeat the same thing. How does the swimmer practices? Regularly. The manner in which you can say that he can practice sometimes, he can practice only on Saturday, he can practice on Sunday, but here he is practicing regularly. How he is practicing? Regularly. The manner in which he is practicing. See, in our definition only we included that the word which tells more about verb, such verbs are related to manner. We have already learned manner, then we can say place, etc. So here it is talking about manner only. Now the second sentence is the boy speaks loudly. Actually, there are two ways to speak loudly. The persons who has loud voice, we can say he can clearly speaks loudly, but still we need loudspeakers. So that's why that person, that the boy is carrying out the loudspeaker. So the here word is loudly. Loudly is we can say with maximum voice. Here the loudly represents we can something more about the verb speak. Yes. Now my question to all of you is that can anybody use the same adverb loudly in your own sentence and examples? Yes, dear. Hello.
My brother is shouting loudly.
Yes.
Yes. Anything else?
I
Please use this
am
loudly.
regular doing. I am go to basketball regularly.
Okay, regularly. Yes. Loudly, loudly. I want one more example of loudly.
Yes.
I read a book loudly.
Very good. Because see, here I want to give extra information that whenever you start any lesson, any poem, teacher gives you that you read it loudly. Why? Because
And
you will get acquainted with the words mentioned over here. And one more thing is that you are using this adverb during this. We can say when you say that I read the lesson loudly. Two things are going to happen side by side. Let's have a glance toward next slide. Can anybody read?
Sir, can I?
Immediately,
Yes, yes.
happily,
I am happy.
Happily,
happily,
hungry,
quickly,
lazily, loudly.
angry, lazy,
Loudly.
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 Okay, very good, students. Now, please, students, keep your mic off. My instruction to all of you is that please, if someone is reading, don't read side by side. Let's hear the sound of one student at a time. Okay? I know there might be 50 or 100 students right now, but as I told you in the beginning, give individual answers. Respect when somebody says. I will give you chance to others also because I am taking maximum examples. So definitely, those who know the answer, they will get chance to say what they want to say. Now here, elegantly, happily, gently, hungrily, lazily, loudly. Okay. Can anybody give the sentence using the adverb lazily? Lazily, can anybody use?
Lazily,
See, the girl is sat on the sofa lazily. Yes. ऐसी
yes,
बैठी है वो lazily है कि नहीं?
Can I tell one sentence about lazily?
Yes, yes, of course.
Bo who had not intentions of working learned lazily on his bed.
Very good. What's your name, dear?
Ruchi.
Ruchi. Okay. Very good. Very good. I
I,
want.
sir,
Yes,
can
some
I
other.
tell? I and I am and my friend happily.
Happily.
yes,
Okay.
Sir, my sister is happily.
Happily. Hungrily. Somebody please use hungrily. It's a morning time. You might
I
have a
am
breakfast.
hungry.
I am very hungry.
I am very hungry.
yes,
Hungrily. No, no. I am very hungrily. No. You should add something in. Yes, please try. You are on the right track.
I cannot eat that I was hungry.
Hungry. Okay. Anybody? You? Okay.
Can I
Happily.
tell?
Yes, yes.
She
Happily.
hungrily ate a slice of bread. Sir, this boy is very hungry because he had not eaten food.
Okay. Happily. Now use happily.
Sir, I have
Uh,
a dog. That's why I
This
am
boy is
happy.
happily because Sir, this boy is happily because he get the apple.
okay. Anyone else?
Sir,
Again
I
for
was
happily.
happy.
Okay. Now you gently see how that someone's hand is there and he is very delicately and gently carrying that bird. Gently.
Sir,
Yes.
gently means
Gently means very delicately. How you carry butterfly, how you carry this very small things. Gently. Use that word.
okay, sir.
Yes,
I
please
am
speak
very
loudly.
gently
Sir,
because
Sir, the ant is very
I am gently because
L.
I could get a
Oh,
chair.
what's your name, dear?
Ashwin.
Hello? Ashwin.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ashwin.
Can I tell?
Yes. Yes, yes, you can.
Alex gently patted on her bed.
Okay.
Alice gently walked on her sandwich. He pulled his
I
arm
am
away and
gently. I
stepped
got a
back.
laptop.
One by one. Yes, one by one.
Elephantly is fell down on my sandwich.
Okay. Gently. Use gently. Okay. Yes. So similarly, one thing is there, dear. Yes, keep your mic off. See, one thing is there. At the end of every word, there is a ly. Yes, elegantly, happily, gently, hungrily, lazily, loudly. So this means that what? Whenever you add ly, I mean, it is not compulsory that every time it is the particular rule, but in grammar we say that most of the time, whenever you add ly at the end of any particular verb, it becomes adverb. Yes. So loud is a verb. When you add ly, it becomes loudly. It becomes adverb. Lazy, it becomes lazily, and it becomes adverb. Let's have a glance to the next slide. list of adverbs A to Z. Now I don't want the voice of Ashwin, Ruchi, but please someone else read for me. Yes, read it loudly.
Sir, supposedly,
Huh?
surprisingly, sweetly, fifthly, fanatically, tenderly, tensely, terribly, thankfully, slowly, thoughtfully, tightly, tomorrow, too, tremendously, truthfully, ultimately,
Yes.
unaccountably,
Mhm.
unbearably. Sir, what is this?
Unethically.
Yes, sir. Unethically, unacceptably, unfortunately, unimpressively, unnaturally, unnecessarily, a bit. Sir, 1 second.
Yes, yes.
Upside down, upward, urgently, usefully, uselessly, usually, utterly, vacantly, verbally, very, viciously, victoriously, violently, vivek. Sir, what is this?
Vivaciously.
Yes, sir. Voluntarily, warmly, weakly, wearily, well. Wholly, weakly, willfully, wisely, wonderfully, worried, wrongly, yawningly, yearly, year nightly, yesterday, yay, yaily. Sir, what is this?
Yieldingly.
Yieldingly, youthfully, fearlessly.
Yes. What's your good name, dear?
Sir, I am Aditya.
From which school you are?
Sir,
Yes,
PMC.
Aditya. Yes, very good, Aditya. Yes, thank you, dear. Please close your mic. Now, there are a lot of, we can say, adverbs are here. So I would like to select any adverb and you are going to use in your own sentence. See, why I am taking maximum examples? Because when you use yourself, your own ideas, your own day-to-day activities and your own schedule things, you will definitely learn these verbs. So my question to all of you is that, please somebody use the adverb tightly in your own sentence. Can anybody? Tightly. Tigstly. Tightly. Yes. Someone please.
Sir, I
Yes.
tightly
Yes,
hold
sir.
the rope.
Sir,
Yes,
the
Richa. Yes. Tightly.
I tightly hold a rope.
Yes. Very good. Someone in next student. Tightly. Okay. If you are getting a problem with this adverb, you have less sentence. Let's take another. We can say truly. Can anybody use truly?
I
Yes.
always say truly.
Yes. Yes. Another student.
I always say truly.
Really? Okay. That's a nice thing. Anyone else? Truly. Richa, Ashwin,
Sir,
Aditya.
I am
Anybody?
always say truly.
Okay. See, one more sentence, one more adverb is there. Unexpectedly. Can anybody use that? Unexpectedly. See, unexpectedly means you were not expecting that thing. Suddenly it happens. So please use this adverb in your own sentence. Richa,
I
Aditya.
unexpectedly
Hmm.
dinosaurs.
Unexpectedly dinosaurs. Okay. Please frame in proper manner. Good try. Yes.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, yes, of course.
The thought was
Yes.
unexpectedly disturbing.
Disturbing for throughout the night. Yes, very good, dear. Anyone else? Unexpectedly? Are there only three students? Please, students, keep your mic on. Try your best. Please give the reply unexpectedly.
The train stopped unexpectedly and we are jolted forwards.
Yes, very good, dear. Yes. And now one more adverb. Yes, urgently, urgently.
I urgently go to school.
Okay. Anyone else?
My father to urgently go to job.
Job. Okay. Very good. Very good. Let's have a glance to our next slide.
So can
Now
you
see.
explain the meaning of ungently?
Yes. Now, students, I want another student besides Aditya, Ashwin, and Richa. Can anybody read? इन three students को छोड़ के कोई और read करेगा? Common adverbs. Yes, please read it, students. Yes, students. Can anybody read the slide?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Read it.
Approve.
Yes. What's your name, dear?
Approve.
Yes, continue. Abruptly, then.
Abruptly, absently,
Very good.
accusing,
Accusingly, yes. Please speak loudly.
actually, adversely,
Hmm.
amazingly, angrily, around,
Arrogantly, yes.
arrogantly, bashfully, beautifully, boldly, brightly, calmly, carefully, cheaply, carelessly, curtainly, clearly,
Certainly.
closely, columnily, coolly, correctly, closely, dearly, helpfully, desperately, determinedly, doggedly, energetically, extremely, expectfully, exactly, excitedly, expertly, very famously, furiously, finale, freely, fully, generously, gently, greedily, brutally, harshly, heartily, heavily,
Very good.
helplessly,
Yes.
immediately, increasingly,
Yes. Yes. Continue.
in,
Innocently, yes.
innocently, jokingly, nozzling, lightly, loudly, madly, mazziling, mostly, mentally, meaningfully, nearly, neatly, nervously, nicely, outwardly, passionately, perfectly.
What's your good name, dear?
Sir, this is one
Palak
really
Manoj
not.
Karma.
Parma. Okay. Very good, dear. Very good. Please keep your mic off. So, dear students, these are common adverbs. Why I use the word common adverb? Because in our day-to-day life, let's say today or tomorrow, within a week or within a month, you use these adverbs regularly. Yes. So see, in sentence also I use the word adverb regularly. Yes. So see how common the adverbs are. Before I use these sentences, I started to use the adverb regularly. Yes. So this becomes common in our daily day-to-day life. So my question is to all of you: can anybody use the adjective finally? Adverb finally. Can anybody use the adverb finally? You can say that now, hooray! Finally, we finished. Like that. Please keep your mics off. Those who want to say they only
Final
can
exam is started.
finally started. Okay. Anything else? Finally. Okay, students, you might be feeling not comfortable with this. Finally, I will give you one more. We can say adverb here. Passionately. Passionately. Can anybody use passionately? Yes, students. Passionately means very interestingly. Use this adverb passionately.
To surfing makes some is my passion. Passionately.
Anything else? Any other sentence? Passionately.
He is doing his work passionately.
Very good. Any other sentence? Other student, please reply. Passionately.
I patiently do my homework.
Okay. Now, one more adverb from this slide. Beautifully. Can anybody use beautifully?
My teacher is beautifully. My sister is beautifully.
It's very
No.
beautiful. The food is decorated very beautifully.
Yes, food is decorated. Anything else about beautifully? One more example. Yes.
My sister is beautiful.
My mother is beautifully.
No, see here. My mother is beautiful. See, I want to make a difference here between adverb and adjective. My mother is beautiful. In this sentence, beautiful is used as an adjective because adjective is a word which tells something more about noun or a pronoun. Here, noun is mother. But you can say, my mother cooks beautifully. Yes, my mother cooks beautifully. Yes. The singer
In
sings
my
beautifully.
neighbor, there was a garden. It was also very beautiful.
Okay, okay. Yes. Let's get to the another slide. Yes. Now,
Beautiful
yes,
and clever.
yes. Richa, can you read the slide? Richa?
Yes. 6 types of adverbs. Type
Yes.
adverbs, adverbs of time,
Hmm.
adverbs of presence, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of degree, adverbs of uh, animation. Adverbs.
Affirmation. Hmm.
Already ago, before, yet, never, yesterday, soon, lately.
Yes.
Example. I have heard this before. I have not seen him since I haven't spoken to her yet. She will be her soon.
Yes.
Of frequency, always, usually, normally, often, sometimes, occasionally, once. It's always cold in this room. I normally go to the gym. They often go out for dinner. I occasionally eat junk food. Adverb of place, here, everywhere, near, nearby, down, away, backwards, upwards. Is that you scarf there? I will lived here for about 2 years. I walked it backwards towards the door. She turned her face upwards to the sun. Adverbs of manner. So slowly, badly, beautifully, delightfully, loudly. The shoulders fought bravely. Is that so? She dressed beautifully. We waited anxiously by the phone. Adverb of degree, almost fluffy, rather quite too enough perfectly. I was fully prepared. I was rather busy. She almost 30. They were perfectly suited. Adverb of animation, certainly, shortly, appreciably, obviously, no, undoubtedly, surely. You are the mistaken. Appreciably is going to rain today. The design certainly looks good on paper.
Very good, dear. Very good. Now we will take these adverbs one by one. Please keep your mic off. Okay. Can you tell me some more adverbs like always, usually is there, but besides this? Yes, Ruchi. Just say me some more. We can say adverb frequency because there are only 2 to 5 examples are there. Always, usually. Can you give your own? We can say yes.
Fastly, secretly, quickly, easily, slowly, lowly, bitterly, badly, quietly, chatfully, strongly, beautifully, worriedly, wishfully, uh, fully, almost, rather, extremely, entirely, too, fairly, very, just enough, deep, completely.
Okay, okay, very good. Yes, keep your mic off. Now, one more thing here. Here it is adverb frequency. So frequency means number of time, how the thing repeats. It repeats you always or it repeats often, sometimes, occasionally or once. So if you say in a week, how many times the Sunday gets repeated? It is only once because in a week it is once only. Yes. So if you take the examples here, it's always cold in this room. We can use the same like it's always cold in there in the Antarctic region. Yes or no? You all of you learn social science. Yes.
Yes.
Please reply. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Once, if you go for the third type of adverb, that is adverb of place. Here, place means not only the particular name of place like Dharavi or Mumbai, but in case of a place, the words or adverbs are there like here, everywhere, near, nearby, down, away, backwards, upwards. Okay. So here in the first sentence only, is that your scarf there? मतलब तुम्हारा वो कार वहां पे पड़ा है क्या? Then next is she turned her face upwards to the sun. उसने उसका चेहरा ऊपर की तरफ देखा. Then I have lived here for about 2 years. You can use this sentence like she has lived here for 3 years, about 3 years. Yes. So these are all about place. You all of you know that preposition is there. Similarly, here also you can use those words. But in case of this adverb, you should have verb in that sentence because adverb is something which tells more about verb. This thing you should keep always in your mind. Now, adverb of manner. Go slowly, we have instructions, then back, badly, beautifully, delightfully, loudly. Can anybody use the adverb slowly in your own sentence? Slowly? Yes?
I slowly go
Yes.
to school.
Okay. Anyone else? Aditya? Hello, Aditya?
My leg is paining. That's why I slowly go to the market.
Okay, very good. Anyone else?
Sir,
Parma?
sir,
Yes.
she is walking very slowly.
Very good. Any more else? Okay. So adverb of manner means what? How. You should ask yourself the question how. See, look at the first sentence. The soldier fought bravely. If I ask you the question how the soldiers fought, so your answer is bravely. Means full sentence we can give. The soldiers fought bravely. So whenever you frame the questions with we can say WH words like how, and there is answer, and that answer is nothing but adverb of manner. Is that so? She dresses beautifully. Can anybody use beautifully in your own sentence?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Her dress is beautifully.
No, she dressed beautifully. Okay. Can anybody use again beautifully?
Sir, she give me the gift very beautifully.
Okay, very good. So adverb of manner means how. You should ask question to yourself how. Okay. One more is there. We waited anxiously for the by the phone. Means as of now you are very much impatient about your phone. What will be the WhatsApp message? When will it be my we can say teacher's next lecture like that? Because nowadays we are fully I can say completely involved in technology because of this corona and all that. So it's our duty to look every now and then to our phone because we should not miss what is going outside like that. Now let's go to the next adverb of degree. So degree is not something you have protector in your compass. It is not about 30 degree or 35 degree, etc. It's about we can say see the examples here. Almost, fully, rather, quite, too, enough, perfectly. How it again you can say in case of manner also and in case of degree also you can ask your questions how. See, I am fully prepared. So how you are prepared? Partially, impartially, fully. So I am fully prepared. Fully is a adverb of degree. Can anybody use this fully in your own sentence? Yes, dear students.
In the
Yes.
glass, the water is fully.
Anything else? Fully.
He
Yes.
was fully clothed and wore a light jacket.
Okay. One more is there. I am rather busy. Then she is almost 30. Almost. Can anybody use this adverb almost?
Yes.
Yes.
There is almost water on my home.
Okay. Anyone else? Almost मतलब पूरी तरह से. So almost पूरा. Yes. Use this adverb.
As old Jonathan was almost as tall as she was.
Okay.
I
Can
have
anybody?
reached I have reached almost on my way of home.
Yes. Now my question to all of you that use the word WhatsApp and almost. Almost आपका आना चाहिए और WhatsApp भी आपका sentence में आना चाहिए. Can you use this almost adverb using WhatsApp? Something about WhatsApp.
My mother is using WhatsApp almost.
Almost. Okay. Anyone else?
He
See,
sending read almost on WhatsApp.
okay. We can also say that in India, almost 90% people uses WhatsApp, right? Maybe
Yes.
there are lots of options, but till now we can say yes. There are perfectly suited. Yes. Now the last one is adverb of affirmation. Affirmation means you are granted, means you can take that like that. Okay. uh, so here surely you are mistaken and all that, apparently, certainly, yes. So affirmation means you are granted. Let's get to the next. Here time examples are there. Now I will take quite speedily because we have less time. So here again the time examples: now, then, today, tomorrow, yesterday, soon, later, already, last month, last year, yet, before, ago, lately are there, and the sentences are there that we already learned. Then adverb of frequency. Frequency means see here if suppose you want to differentiate between never and always, so you should say that never means there is a 0% of chances, yes or no, and then always means yes, 100% chances. So you can take the screenshot of this screen. This is just to tell you the difference between these frequency type adverbs, like what is the difference between always, what is the difference between sometimes and occasionally. Yes. Next side is adverb of place. This already we learned, down, over, and all that. Next is adverb of degree. This also we learned, fairly, quite, rather, pretty, very. We can take the examples here. He speaks English fairly well, but he needs to improve. Fairly means not 100%. This story is quite good. I recommend it. Means अच्छी है ये story. This she is rather nice, nicer than I expected. इससे भी अच्छा हो सकती थी. He looks pretty smart for the wedding, smarter than expected. एक यहाँ पे एक चीज दी दिखे, pretty is used a more informal way than rather. Next is adverb of manner is also there. Here you can take a screenshot. Then adverb of affirmation and negation. See, we have learned 6 type of adverbs. The last was the adverb of affirmation and negation. So affirmation, we grant the permission, like yes, certainly, surely. We are positive here. Adverb of negation, we try to object it. See, there are two symbols. Yes, green symbol is there. No, red symbol is there. Whenever there is a red symbol, we don't touch those things. Yes. So here, any, never, and all that. So this is all about affirmation and negation. So one more thing is here, position of adverb. So when you use the adverb, it gets sometimes it gets beginning of the sentence, sometimes at the end, sometimes in between the middle. Yes, this is all about this adverb. Here I always focus you in this whole scene that you have to ask questions to yourself. Then only you will get adverbs. How and when to use the adverb. How often, when and where, etc. Yes. Can anybody read this slide? 10 adverb sentences quickly.
Sir,
Yes, yes. Read.
Usually walk
Hmm.
backwards.
usually work backwards.
Category win. Third, he ate the chocolate cake greedily. Fourth, he cleans his cell phone once a week. Fifth, he doesn't usually go to the work by bus. Sixth, the baby went indoors. Seventh, the bus is moving westwards. Seventh, the bus is moving. Eighth, annexes they returned home because they forgot the key at home. Ninth, as he walked out of the house, he quickly closed the doors. Tenth, could you really water the plant?
Okay. See, thank you, dear. Now the trick. Yes, dear. Close your mic. Now the trick to remember the adverb. See, right now all of you use FM, music, etc. in your home because you are right now in home only. And PT means you do exercise and all that. So FM and PT at home in Corona period. Yes or no? Because you are in home and all that. So F stands for frequency, M stands for manner, A stands for affirmation and negation, D stands for degree, P stands for place, T stands for time. Please take the screenshot of this screen so that if whenever in future if any teacher asks you which are the 6 types of adverb, you should quickly remember the trick that FM and PT are home in Corona period. So FM and PT, just remember these 6 to 7 alphabets. I once again repeat, FM and PT. Please take the screenshot. Yes. What's your name? We can say Aditya and Richa. Please take the screenshot quickly.
Sir, I've taken the screenshot.
Very good. Now let's move to the last slide. Yes, this is your homework. Students, please note down this homework or take a screenshot. Quickly take a screenshot.
Yes, sir. I also taken the screenshot.
Okay. Now, last but least important, just can anybody read the second sentence and give me the answer? Second sentence.
The cat was quietly approaching the bird. Quietly is the adverb.
And which is the verb?
Verb is the
Approaching. Yes.
approaching. Yes.
See, there is one sentence hint, hint. Adverbs usually describe verbs. Yes. So here quietly describes approaching. In third sentence, finally describes arrived. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is all about that. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everyone.